Wominjeka Djeembana are Bunwurrung words. Wominjeka translates as welcome, but it's not just welcome, it's welcome with a purpose, welcome with obligation. Djeembana is a word, another Bunwurrung word, which translates as a place to come learn and exchange and share ideas, barter, swap cultural materials. And the purpose of Wominjeka Djeembana is really about synergising Indigenous ways of knowing with practice-led research. There's an interesting tension there, and what Indigenous ways of knowing does is it can reconfigure how research operates. So it's community-led, it's impactful, and there's no separation to the real world. We really take seriously things like co-authorship, the co-beneficiary of research. So if you have a participant in research, what's the benefit to that person, to that community? And if there's no benefit, then there's no research. So one significant project that we've been working on for just over 2 years is the Northern Ngulani Aboriginal Knowledge Systems strategic research initiative from the Australian Research Council. So part of the project is really about investigating the significance of trees, and part of that project is really about discovering the significance of carved trees, specifically for Gamilaroi and Wiradjuri peoples of New South Wales. Each cultural manifestation and each tree is different. This belongs to Bunwurrung people. So in this instance, this is a tree that's a culturally marked tree, as in a tool's been taken from this tree. From the depth of the marking, where the shield would have been taken out, this depth, and also the markings inside, the grooves inside the scar. It would probably be pre-colonial or early colonial. Because these are sacred and ceremonial materials, the research around them has to be quite sensitive, and what becomes public knowledge and private knowledge is in negotiation. And that's why it's really important that Indigenous people lead the research. So it's understanding those cultural sensitivities and ensuring that there's an ethical approach that's culturally appropriate. I think that's important because historically, non-Indigenous people have led research into our communities. So it's time for us to be able to do that and build the capacity of our own people. We're in a really interesting time when we think about climate, sustainability, and we always refer to the future as Indigenous, because the future has to be Indigenous because the past was. We have to look locally to find solutions to contemporary problems.